Might want to get a beer for this video. Woo! Hey there folks, this is Josh, Stoney Ridge Farmer. Welcome to Sema 2019. We're standing right here at the Hot Wheels exhibit and we're watching a Ford Raptor completely rip it up on the track. So check this out. This thing's getting ready to go airborne. Some of the fun stuff we're gonna see here at Sema today. Again, we're at the Hot Wheels exhibit right here. You can see all these cars are now Hot Wheels cars, so it's really, really cool. We're gonna cruise around, we're gonna try to get some interviews, we're gonna talk to some people, show you some of the cool cars here at Sema 2019 in Las Vegas at the Convention Center, all right? Woo! Alright guys, as seen on Gas Monkey Garage, this is the Midas Monkey. Awesome. Darth Vader mobile. So to give you guys an idea of what this is like, it's super duper crowded. There's a whole lot of people here and they haven't even started letting the general public in here yet. So check this thing out. It's a track van slash Hummer slash who knows what it is, man. There's so much cool stuff. It's super duper hard to show you all this stuff, but I'm gonna give you an idea of what it's like to be a person here at Sema in 2019. So if you want to go next year here in Las Vegas, it's a good time, man. We've been having a blast. It's not often that you get to meet the guy that built the car and drove it here, and you're not from the US, right?
That's it. You know, like I'm from England, and not a lot of people in England have American cars, right?
Yep, right.
So when a Fast and Furious Dodge Charger comes up for auction and you win it by accident,
yeah,
then
you did?
Yeah, well, this was used in a production in England called Fast and Furious Live.
Right.
It turns out it's Universal Studio titled, so it's a real movie car.
Nice.
We then, my wife was giving me crap because I never used it and it just sat there looking good. Yeah. So I cut the chassis out, lifted the chassis off, bought a 99 Outflack NASCAR, cut it in half, extended it 7 inches, made a new roll cage.
And built that car around it.
And just put it around it, yeah. So
that's awesome, awesome. Now you got a YouTube channel. What's your name again?
Sam from Hard Up Garage.
All right, and you have a YouTube channel also. You want to give him a little plug? Because did you do the build on the YouTube channel?
Yeah, so February last year we started building this car, and we started in February, and we got episodes every month coming up on how we built it, the way we drove it, the way we got pulled over by the state police and the county sheriff, and racing Lambos and being idiots in the salt flats out here. And
awesome. Yeah.
You know what? Sema should be about the way you represent the products here, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And so many people park these cars up and they look pretty and they got the most amazing exhausts on or brakes. Yeah. But no one really shows how durable and stuff that this stuff is.
Are, yeah.
Exactly.
This is transportation. This isn't shiny stuff.
No,
right?
well, look at this. This is how it left.
Yeah, yeah.
Vegas, Lincoln, Nebraska, shiny.
So you drove from Lincoln, Nebraska here to Vegas. You washed this side and you left this side dirty. So
yeah, it's got to tell a story, right?
Yeah,
you know?
It does, and that tells a story.
The issue you have is I woke up in Lincoln, Nebraska, pulled the roller shutter back. Yeah. It's minus 13 Celsius, 4 inches of snow. Yeah. I got no traction control. I got no ABS. Yeah. I just gotta suck it up and go for it. Hell yeah.
Yeah, the gas pedal.
I went to Walmart. I bought a sleeping bag. I cut some holes in it, put my arms and my legs out, and I just cracked on, man.
Nice. Great meeting you, man.
Keep being awesome.
Yeah, thanks.
And it'd be lovely to see what you guys do and follow this guy, man. He's out there talking to real car guys. He ain't just sitting in the corners talking to the celebs, man. He's talking to the future. So.
That's it. Good stuff.
Keep being awesome.
Thanks, man. Check out Gymkhana if you don't know what that was. We're getting ready to go watch this guy drift. It's gonna be super rad. All right, so that's Ken Block. He's out there. He's getting ready to do some serious drifting for us. It's gonna be a great show, guys. Guys, that's the reason we need a tire sponsor on the channel, right there. Who would have ever thought you would subscribe to a farm channel and you would see that? Rad. Aren't famous people so much cooler than real people? I got Ricky here.
I'm pretty famous.
He's Ricky famous. Yeah. Woo! We've died and we've gone to Bronco Heaven. Look all around us, man. It kind of makes me wish we wouldn't have sold our Bronco. We had a 68 on the channel. Oh, Bronco Heaven. I know what you're thinking when you look at this, but that's metal. That's not fiberglass. That's a real Bronco. That's real metal.
Very nice out here in this GT 500 truck.
That's Joey Logano, and my bet is he spins out. And he doesn't go airborne. Race simulator, rad.
Business owners, they want any return. They just love to see it.
Vaughn Gittin Jr. So folks, thanks for hanging out and welcome to Ford at Sema 2019.
For all you guys that are serious Ford fans, the Dragon Snake right here. Never seen anything like it. It is a GT 500 Dragon Snake. We'll walk around it a little bit. Alright guys, if you're fans of the channel, you know about the Supersport 454 truck, but check this one out. We're going to walk around it a little bit. Awesome, awesome build. Far cry from our 454, but man, that's awesome. Maybe we'll build something like that after we get done with the Willys. So we ran into a fan. What's
Ronnie.
your name? Ronnie.
Yep.
Where are you from, Ronnie?
Pueblo, Colorado.
Right on, Pueblo, Colorado.
Yep.
And he has a beer, and I'm drinking Diet Pepsi.
Yep.
Shame on me.
Awesome.
Yeah. Tell me what you like about the channel.
And probably my favorite video is like you guys processing the chickens.
Yeah, okay. You have chickens yourself?
No, but it's just, they're real informative. So
Yeah.
it's like, you don't see that every day. I think people are a lot more disconnected with what they actually get you know, with, like, when they go to the store, they just buy food. They don't.
Think about it, where
Right.
it came from, the work that went into it.
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. Well, it's great to meet a fan, man.
Yeah, nice to meet
Thanks.
you as well. This is
He's
my
a-
brother here.
Brother? Hey, brother. I'm Josh.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Guys, we are with Trevor with Motion Auto TV, and pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
A YouTuber that I've never met, so guys,
Yeah.
you want to go check out his channel. What do you do on your YouTube channel?
So mostly kind of like tuner car restoration, stuff like that. Do some diesel truck stuff.
Nice.
I bought like a rolled 2016 F350 from the auction, rebuilt it.
Oh,
You know,
awesome.
obviously, like nobody can freaking afford those things. Like,
Yeah.
Unless you like finance them, and I didn't want to do that. But I got a Mark IV Toyota Super Act sheet out
Nice.
here in the Conning Wheels booth. So
Cool. Awesome.
just out here at Toyota checking out some of the new Mark Vs. I'm not sure what I think about them yet. But
Yeah. Well, they're interesting anyway. I told him I could see myself in a Supra. I've had, I don't know what generation. I had an 88
Yeah.
Supra, and the generation before that, like an 85
Yeah.
Supra. They were nice. They were luxury cars back then, not so much a performance car.
Yeah.
And mine was a turbo, but it was a tired little sleepy
Yeah.
turbo. So awesome. Well, guys, check out his channel. Channel is Motion Auto. Awesome. We ran into a friend of the channel. This is Dean.
Hey buddy, nice to see you.
Dean is with Zendex Tools. You have seen this on the channel. This is called the Go Jack. You won't see it in action today, but we will be showing you the Go Jack. What is that called?
This is the Go Jack Air.
Okay, we'll show you the Go Jack Air today. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with that. Dean is a super awesome friend of the channel. You guys have an American company based out of Connecticut. Is
That's
that
right.
And it's just, tell me about your company. Like,
So this is a family-owned and operated business. My dad started it in '84. He had his own body shop, and he needed some tools to move his cars around the shop.
Yep.
And so he came up with this concept of the Go Jack self-loading dolly.
Yep.
And you know, we've expanded the line over the years, and
Absolutely.
we have several other products like this Go Jack Air that we're going to show you.
right, cool.
Fully
So-
American made, very proud to be so.
All the NASCAR shops, yeah, all those guys have these
Yeah.
Go Jacks in
Yeah,
their
those
shop.
guys are using our 4520s.
Okay.
They're a nice low-profile model.
Nice.
They take up to a 20-inch wide racing slick, which is what they need.
Awesome. He's bringing her down right now. So we'll show you this thing, guys.
So this is the Go Jack Air. This is a fully pneumatic floor jack. It's great for tire changing, working on the rocker panel, PPF or wraps, anything like that. This is an efficiency tool. It's going to allow you to turn more jobs in your shop because it's fast.
is now closed.
So this will go up to 20 inches, goes from 3 1/4 to 20. You don't need the airline in there to keep the jack up. Great if you're doing tire work, rocker panel work, anything like that. Bring the work piece, the work area to you. Now you're up here working instead of down on your knees.
Guys, right now we are amongst hundreds of engines. Look at this, unbelievable. This is smack dab in the center of the Sema showroom right here. Engine after engine after engine after engine. Way cool, man. We're having a blast here at Sema this year. I hope you guys will subscribe to the channel. Please pound that like button if you haven't already. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you want to. Lots of fun stuff here on the channel. Lots of farm content, lots of good automotive content, lots of a little bit of everything. So, guys, thanks a lot for joining us here on the Stoney Ridge Farm channel today. I hope you enjoyed this little tour, a little walk around of what it's really like at SEMA Las Vegas 2019. All right? Woo!